Good day, traders, and welcome back to another weekly market update video with me, Zane Vouder, your analyst here at Owanda Prop Trader. Now, markets are obviously still grappling with the NFP and jobs data we got from the US on Friday, which obviously led to significant changes in interest rate cut expectations from the US Federal Reserve. Markets are now pricing in around a 10% probability that we will get a 50 basis point rate cut at the September meeting. However, according to LSEG data, the probability is still more significantly leaning towards a 25 basis point cut at this stage, with 90% chance of that happening. Now, with that in mind, obviously, we have seen significant weakness in the US dollar on Friday. And with that in mind, gold prices continue to soar and rally higher. Gold, obviously, this morning trading above $3,600 an ounce and holding steady for now. Now, beyond that, obviously, there was some developments over the weekend with other commodities, for example, oil prices, dealing with news that OPEC Plus will further increase production moving forward. However, this hasn't had a significant impact on oil prices, as markets are still eyeing a potential sanctions on Russia, which obviously launched another attack on Ukraine over the weekend. And this obviously could put a squeeze on Russian oil exports as well. And thus, this is where markets are currently focused at the moment when it comes to oil prices, at least. Now, beyond that, obviously looking ahead at the rest of the week, the biggest data event this week will obviously be US inflation data. We also have US PPI data due later this week, and all of those could have a significant impact on rate cut expectations as well, and thus stoke volatility, and as well as influence the US dollar's movements for the rest of the week. So bear that in mind moving forward, and I hope to catch you guys soon with another market update video. Have a good one.